Welcome back to our channel. Today we're delving into the delectable world of Ramadan cuisine as we explore the top 10 most popular Ramadan foods. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on our culinary adventures. Let's dive in. Our first stop is Haleem, a traditional dish popular during Ramadan, particularly in South Asia, the Middle East, and Central Asia. It is a type of stew made with a combination of meat, such as beef, lamb, or chicken, wheat or barley, lentils, and a variety of spices. The preparation of Haleem involves slow cooking the ingredients for several hours until they form a thick paste-like consistency. This savory dish is often served hot and garnished with fried onions, ginger, green chilies, coriander leaves, lemon wedges, and chaat masala. Next up, we have the Ramadan Pide, also known as Ramazan Pidesi, a traditional Turkish flatbread that holds cultural significance during the holy month of Ramadan. This soft and porous leavened bread is a staple in Turkish cuisine, especially popular during Ramadan for iftar and sahur meals. The bread is shaped by hand into either a round or oval form and has a characteristic weave-like patterned crust sprinkled with nigella seeds. It is traditionally served warm and fresh, often consumed with meat dishes or soups. The process of making Ramadan Pide involves using basic ingredients like flour, yeast, sugar, milk, oil, and water to create a dough that is left to rise for several hours. The bread is then baked until it develops a shiny, golden crust with a soft yet chewy crumb. Now, let's talk about the dum biryani, a traditional South Asian dish that is popular during Ramadan. It is a flavorful and aromatic rice dish made with marinated meat, such as chicken or mutton, layered with partially cooked rice and garnished with fried onions, saffron-infused milk, and a blend of spices like cumin, red chili powder, biryani powder, garlic, and ginger paste. The dish is then slow cooked in a sealed pot, allowing the flavors to meld together and the meat to become tender. Dum biryani is a celebratory dish often enjoyed during special occasions like Eid ul-Adha. Continuing our journey, we have börek, a traditional Turkish dish that is enjoyed during Ramadan and holds cultural significance in Turkish cuisine. It is a savory treat made of thin layers of dough, typically filled with ingredients like minced meat, cheese, spinach, or potatoes, and then baked or fried until crispy and golden brown. Börek is a versatile dish that can be served as a main course, appetizer, or snack, making it a popular choice during Ramadan and other special occasions. Let's explore the beef kafta, a traditional Ramadan dish that is popular in Middle Eastern cuisine. It consists of seasoned ground beef mixed with various herbs and spices, shaped into elongated patties or skewers, and then grilled or cooked. The flavorful blend of ingredients like parsley, onions, garlic, cumin, and paprika gives beef kafta its distinctive taste. This dish is often served with rice, salad, pita bread, or tahini sauce, making it a delicious and satisfying option for iftar meals during Ramadan. Moving on to the next fattoush, a traditional Middle Eastern salad that is popular during Ramadan. It is a refreshing and crunchy salad made with a variety of fresh vegetables like lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, radishes, and onions, along with herbs such as parsley and mint. One of the key components of fattoush is the addition of pita chips, which provide a crispy texture to the salad. The dressing for fattoush typically includes ingredients like olive oil, lemon juice, pomegranate molasses, sumac, garlic, and salt. This salad offers a mix of tangy, sweet, and sour flavors. Now let's talk about the kanafe, also spelled as kanafe or kunafa, a beloved traditional Middle Eastern dessert enjoyed during Ramadan. This sweet treat features shredded pastry, cheese, and syrup, creating a delightful combination of textures and flavors. Kanafe is a must-try dessert that is popular in the Middle East and is often savored during special occasions like Ramadan. The dish is known for its unique blend of crispy pastry, gooey cheese, and sweet syrup, making it a delectable and indulgent choice for those with a sweet tooth. Next, katayef, a delightful Middle Eastern dessert that holds a special place during the month of Ramadan. This sweet treat consists of pancakes that are stuffed with a variety of fillings such as nuts, sweet cheese, or Middle Eastern cream, then fried to perfection and soaked in syrup. The batter for katayef includes ingredients like all-purpose flour, powdered milk, instant yeast, sugar, and baking powder. The nut filling typically contains finely chopped walnuts, sugar, cinnamon, and desiccated coconut. To enhance the flavor, katayef is topped with simple syrup and can be garnished with ground pistachios or edible roses. Now, arayes, Lebanese meat-stuffed pitas that are a popular Middle Eastern street food. These delicious treats consist of pita bread filled with a seasoned meat mixture, often made with ground beef or lamb, along with aromatic spices like cumin, coriander, and parsley. The meat-stuffed pitas are then grilled or pan-fried until crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Arayes are typically served with sauces like tahini or yogurt, adding extra flavor to this savory dish. Enjoy it as a snack, appetizer, or main course. Lastly, let's explore shakshuka, a traditional Middle Eastern and North African dish that consists of eggs poached in a flavorful sauce made of tomatoes, olive oil, peppers, onions, and garlic, seasoned with spices like cumin, paprika, and cayenne pepper. This dish is known for its rich and aromatic flavors, making it a popular choice for breakfast, lunch, or dinner in various regions. Shakshuka is a versatile and satisfying meal that can be enjoyed with warm pita bread, adding to its appeal as a beloved traditional Ramadan food. Thanks for joining us on this flavorful journey through the top 10 most popular Ramadan foods. If you enjoyed discovering these delicious dishes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more culinary explorations. Until next time.